Hi beautiful, welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to show you how to transform your hair from this to this with a luxurious but very affordable hair care routine. Today's video has been kindly sponsored by Walmart, so thank you so much Walmart for partnering with me for this video. I found every single product I'm about to show you and use today on walmart.com as part of the Walmart beauty event. This event runs from April 18th to May 19th and the prices are too good to pass up. Walmart has become a go-to beauty destination for me. Whether you're looking for hair tools, hair care items, makeup, or everyday essentials, I shop a lot at Walmart for my daughter. They've got on-trend, great prices, and an inclusive selection that truly lets you create your own unique style. Every single item I used today to get this salon quality blowout at home, from the shampoo and conditioner to the brush to the styling tools, I got on Walmart at incredible prices. And of course every single one of these products is going to be linked for you down below in the description box of this video. So if you're interested in any of these, please shop using the links I'm leaving you down below. I'm about to show you every single step I took to get here, so let's go back to me from around an hour ago so I can show you every single product and also how to get this salon quality blowout at home without breaking the bank. We are starting with wet tangled hair, and I am here to show you every single thing I got from Walmart in order to get this luxurious hair care routine that is not going to break the bank. And to start, which I already used and I will show you, I went ahead and got a shampoo and conditioner from OGX. This is the new OGX Bond Protein Repair shampoo and conditioner. I have been using OGX on and off for the past, I want to say, at least 15 years, basically since I moved out of my dad's house. Whenever I moved out and I started getting my own shampoo and conditioner, actually maybe whilst I was living with my dad too, OGX has always been a brand that I trust and I go back to. Both of these are not only affordable, but they are sulfate-free products. And in order to complete my routine, I also got the OGX Bond Protein Repair Heat Protectant because we are going to be using heat on my hair today. And lastly, I got from the same line the new 3-in-1 oil mist. If there's one thing I like, is for my hair to look nice and shiny when I'm done, and I feel like this is going to be an important part of that step. Besides that, and these two next products I have already been using for the past couple of days, I got from a brand called Camille Rose this Cocoa Nibs and Honey Hair Strengthening Serum. This I have been shaking and putting on the root of my hair for the past couple of days. I just opened the cap and I run lines of it through my scalp, and then I just go in with my fingers and distribute it. That just felt like the easiest way to do it, and I've actually been very excited to use this product and the next one I'm going to show you from the same brand, because they are both products designed to help with hair breakage and designed to strengthen your hair overall. This one says, restore your strands with Cocoa Nibs and Honey Ultimate Growth Serum, a restorative oil cocktail of Ayurvedic amala oil and Brahmi herbal infusions crafted to open up blocked hair follicles for improved circulation and optimal hair growth. The next product from the same brand that I have been very excited to use is this one right here, which is the Camille Rose Rosemary Oil. These are their strengthening hair and scalp drops, and this is a thicker, more potent oil, so this one you use slightly differently. You can apply this one on wet or dry hair to massage into your scalp, edges, or any delicate areas of your hair, and it says that you can apply it daily or as needed for added nourishment. This one has castor oil and rosemary leaf oil, and I have heard great things about the benefits of rosemary. in making your hair grow. I used it last night for the first time because I knew I was gonna wash my hair today, and so I think I'm going to probably use this one every third day or so in order to nourish the scalp. The next thing I got was this right here because I desperately needed a new hairbrush, and I got this one from Wet Brush. Wet Brush is one of my favorite brands when it comes to hairbrushes because I feel like they detangle your hair so fast and so easy. And this new design has the holes through it so that you can use it whilst blow drying your hair, and it helps blow dry your hair faster. Also, just take a look at how beautiful this one is. I love the colors of it, and I'm actually just going to go for it. I love how this one takes my hair from tangled to tangle free in an instant. I just have to run it through and it gets rid of everything for me immediately. It has very soft bristles that help detangle your hair immediately. See? Just check it out right here. I forgot to grab the main product that inspired this video. Let me be right back. This right here is what inspired me to do an affordable hair care routine for this Walmart video, because I could not believe my eyes when I saw that Walmart was carrying Heritage hair tools. I have had this brush for, I want to say 2 to 3 years now. I don't know if anyone was watching back when I went to that event in Los Angeles. It was a while ago, but basically I got back with a huge goodie bag, and Heritage gifted me this hairbrush back then at that event, and it's been living in my bathroom ever since. And as you can see by the amount of hair on it, which, ew, gross, I use it all the time. First thing I love about this one, besides the very affordable price point, which I did not know it had, since this was gifted to me, I didn't know how affordable this hairbrush was until I saw it on Walmart the other day, and I was like, we gotta talk about it. Anyways, very affordable hairbrush, and I love how big this is. See how it's like narrow on one side and then like this big massive thick thing on the other side, without being too heavy, by the way. Well, the big beautiful massive size of this one makes your hair get dry in an instant. It is so fast. It's why I keep it in my bathroom, because I just get it from under the sink and I run it through my hair for a few minutes and I am good to go. So we're going to, of course, use it today. And then just to finish showing you everything I got for this affordable hair care routine, the fact that I love this brush and brand so much made me be interested in this right here, which are the Heritage hot rollers, with which I'm hoping to get my hair styled and volumized. I've never had hot rollers before, but it is a hair tool that I have been interested in for the longest, and every time I've looked at hot rollers, they've been so expensive. From other brands, I'm saying, they've been super expensive. These were very affordable, so I'm very excited to try them, and I know that they have to be good because, again, I trust Heritage because I have been using and loving that brush for years now. Anyways, let me go ahead and open this and show you what's inside, because this bag looks so fancy. Here's what this container looks like. The cord is right underneath, and then you pull it down here and unlock it. And here are my new hot rollers. I'm so excited to put these to use. There's different sizes, by the way. There's 4 big ones in the center and then smaller ones all around. I can't wait to get some volume in this hair. I did, of course, already use the shampoo and conditioner in the shower today. The shampoo felt luxurious. The suds were amazing. The smell was incredible. And the conditioner left my hair really nice and soft. I mean, you saw how easy it was to run my brush through my hair, and that is definitely all thanks to the conditioner. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my heat protectant from OGX. Oh, that's got a nice sprayer on it. Let me divide up my hair. And I'm dividing my hair into just 2 big sections, top and then from here down. Like I said, this brush dries my hair really fast, so that is all the divisions I need. I'm lazy. I like to just do this and just hold it there. It gets the job done. It's not dry yet, but I just want to show you. It's been 1.5 minutes and look at the difference already. I started drying my hair when my camera was at 22 minutes. It's at 27:33 right now. So it's been 5.5 minutes, and I'm pretty sure, I mean, we might be missing 30 more seconds on this side, but this side was done so freaking fast. It was like 2.5 minutes over here. Like I said, I love this brush because it is so fast. Okay, that was like 45 more seconds. The bottom part is dry, and let me move on to this up here. My strategy with the top part is just to brush it forward. I'm not saying it is fully dry. I'm going to let it cool down so that I can assess. But I started drying the top part 3 minutes ago. And actually, it's honestly almost fully dry. I don't know if it was that I applied the Camille Rose serum before I dried my hair, or if it's the heat protectant or even the shampoo and conditioners, but my hair looks so shiny. Maybe it's all of the above, I don't know. But I keep having the feeling as I'm drying my hair that I need to keep going because it's so shiny that it looks wet. Yet it's not wet anymore. Anyways, here's what the hair is looking after just blow drying with my wonderful Heritage blow drying brush right here. And like on most days, I'm okay with this. This looks really, really good. However, we're going to do the hot rollers today for extra va-va-boom, extra voluminous style, if you will. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm already in love with the result and I haven't even used their hot rollers yet. If you're going to get one thing from this video, make it this Heritage brush right here. This is just as good as very high-end, luxuriously priced items that are similar. But this one will not break the bank, you know? Once again, it having been gifted to me, I never looked up the price. I could not believe how affordable this is because it feels like it would be at least $200. I'm going to use my brush to divide my hair up for the rollers. I think my favorite thing about the hot rollers is going to be the clip, because usually I'm a mess keeping things in place. I've been scared that I'm going to burn myself, but it doesn't seem like these are hot enough to like burn your fingers. Don't hold them for prolonged periods of time in one spot, but if you lightly touch them whilst you're doing this, it's not going to be a big deal. I have two different lengths of hair in this section, so it's a little tricky. I think I got it. I'm not going for super defined curls or anything, so for back here, I'm just grabbing big sections. And I'm using the bigger rollers for those sections. I redid my top one because it feels like that's one that you should get right. I don't know how to feel right now. I definitely feel like a proper 1950s lady. So I'm going to wait a few minutes. I'm going to wait for them to cool down, and when I'm back I will show you the result, which you probably already saw at the beginning, but whatever. I think it's time. The center of my rollers went from hot red to black, so let's go ahead. They're not fully cool yet, but whatever. I'm not patient either, so we're going to take them out. Okay, that looks promising. Let's do this one back here. Ooh. Here's this one, and now these top ones. I hope this front piece came out okay, because I feel like this is the most important one. Moment of truth. Here's how things look after the rollers. We definitely have more volume than before I did the rollers, that's for sure. But I need to get better at placing them and leaving them on for maybe a longer period of time. I will say I like that they're not super hot when you put them on. You can touch them a little bit while you fuzz with it in order to secure it. I like that the clips hold your hair in place. All of that is a positive for me. And here is my finished result. I think it definitely looks like I got a Salon blowout at home, which is definitely what I was going for. And I gotta say, I really love the way my hair turned out today. We only have one more step to do, and that is to use my 3-in-1 oil mist. Not that I need more shine. I feel like my hair looks really nice and shiny already, but just for the sake of using every single product, let's go ahead and go for it. Hair oil and all, check it out. This is the true final look. absolutely loving my hair, and I absolutely love having and being able to share with you a hair care routine that you can do at home without breaking the bank. I want to give a huge thanks to Walmart for sponsoring today's video. Remember that their beauty event is happening right now, so click the links down below in the description box if you want to get your hands on any of these items, and also check out the hundreds of other items that are discounted right now on Walmart throughout the event. If you liked today's video, don't forget to please give it a thumbs up before you leave. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you back in the next video. Bye.